We want to try and get used to the power.
Rum biker, yeah, na 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 na. Ooh. This is a rum biker, rum rider. Give your bike a rev, then put down your visor. Yeah.
We're outside again. Yaka yo, yaka yo, yaka yo. We are outside again. How you doing, family? So yeah, man, in today's video we're gonna try and, you know, again get used to the sound of this bike in first and second gear. If you're new to the channel, don't forget, like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget we have the membership thing going as well. So if you want to become a member, have a look at the tiers that's in the description, that's on the channel, and let's get. Alright, so we're in first now. So there's first and second for a bit. We want to try and get used to the power. Yes. Yes. So all I'm trying to do, I'm just trying to get used to the power, basically. Because normally I'm always shifting up real quick. I don't, you know what I mean, I don't elongate the gears, if that's what you call it. So we're just getting used to the power, and we are also, you know, hold on, I'm gonna come down the wrong way. And also just clearing out the carbs a bit. Now, even though this is a old school 9R, it's still not a toy in it, it's still not a plaything. It's actually really powerful. I mean, what is it, about 140 brake horsepower, something like that? Is it 140 or 130? And I can't lie to you, this still has the ability to frighten me. Do you know what I mean? Anyway, family, so what are you guys up to today, man? What are you up to? I mean, obviously you're sitting here watching this video, right? Yeah, maybe I asked the wrong question. What have you been up to? What are you about to be up to? Like, when you're done with this video here, and then you go through my channel and look at all the rest of the videos and stuff, yeah? What are you doing after that? Are you going to start motovlogging? If you haven't got your bike license, are you going to go for it? Are you going to go all the way? Car, the sun come out, you know, still. Whoop. The sun come out, you know, still. And I haven't seen any of these guys with the bike and do psychosis go any closer to getting the license, Bridget. I'm still doing all kind of chat. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. But yeah, man, I haven't been out here for weeks. Obviously the kids were off school, computer broke down and all that stuff. So yeah, I was just unmotivated. Hang on, I didn't even you know, first and second gear. So I gotta try and train myself to not use any other gear but first and second. It's difficult, you know. You just want to keep the noise down. You get me? So this area here, guys, is it Streakley? Up by Sutton? I think they call it Streakley Wood. Pause. No, it's mad because I'm actually trying to go somewhere and I feel like I've just gone past it, but it doesn't look like where it was I was supposed to be going, you know, like that. Oh, look at that house, man, beautiful. That's when you hear all the popping, man. We're going round and round and round and round and round. Oh, hey, 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 hey. Anyway, family, listen. Let me get off this, man, because I'm lost. I can't find where I'm supposed to be going. So I need to pull over and sort this out. If you're new to the channel, family, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. We out.
Brown biker, yeah. Na 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 na. Ooh. This is a brown biker, brown rider. Give your bike a rev, then put down your visor. Yeah.
We're outside again.